here's some clean tape, and what we're going to do here is take a look at the ends of the frets here on the guitar, because in the wintertime the wood can actually shrink and the frets can pop out on the side here, and a lot of guitar players have probably noticed this. The ends of the frets can get sharp, and in extreme cases the frets can actually pop out the sides and in some cases even eat up your hand. Hopefully that won't happen, but I'll show you what I mean by using just this little piece of tape and running it across the edge of these frets. Oh, there you go. You see it's actually kind of grabbing right there. And from what you can see here, oops, there we go, it has totally chewed up that bit of tape right there. So I'm going to do some work on these frets and show you an aftershot. Okay, so I'm going to be using this lovely file that's specifically designed for frets. So the nice thing about this is one side of this is actually smoothed out. So when I start running it against the frets, this thing will actually kind of touch the fretboard right here. And the smooth part makes sure that we don't actually hurt the fretboard at all while we're actually working on the frets here. So again, I'm going to do a little work here and then show you the result. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do, I did the filing here with that little lovely tool. Last thing I'm going to do is use my lovely grit fret eraser and basically clean up the edges right here, which what I mean by that is just kind of a little polishing. This is a pretty high grit here, 8,000, so being so high, it's not going to hurt the wood at all on here. Basically just help clean up and polish the end of the frets there. Alright, so here's the end result. I'm going to take another little piece of tape here, run it back and forth as I did before. And you can see here's the result. Oops, little shadow there, sorry. You can see it's nice and, well, not chewed up. Here's before, and here's after.